let's look into another conversation. Now, in 2024, there's a clear trend among financial institutions towards migrating their operations to cloud-based platforms. This shift is underscored by recent research conducted in 2023 by McKinsey and Institute for International Finance, involving about 37 financial services. We see top technologies used by financial institutions. We see cloud and edge computing topping there with 84%, applied AI 78%, and next-gen software development about 73%. Let's discuss this now with Chukwuka Awobolu, who's a cloud engineer, joining me via Zoom. Great to have you on the show.
Yeah, hello, hi, Ladi.
So talk to me about cloud computing and why we're seeing these financial services operators actually adopting this technology more and more.
Yes, so cloud computing is a situation whereby you have your cloud, your infrastructure hosted on the cloud instead of hosting it on premises. Instead of having physical servers or physical infrastructure, you host them on premises. So some of these infrastructures are things like your servers, your storage, your database, your networking, your softwares, analytics, and all your intelligence. Hosting it over the internet and gives faster innovation, flexible resources, and economics of scales. And basically it works by, you can rent what you want to use. That means you pay for what you use, and what you don't use, you can turn it off. And most of this software runs on data centers and can always be utilized. So Fintech industries can also utilize this cloud computing. And the way it works is you have different cloud services you can choose from. You have Microsoft Azure, you have AWS, and you have Google Cloud, and you have some others like Oracle's. So there are more cloud service providers that you can actually choose from and host these services in the cloud.
All right, so how has cloud computing changed the landscape of the fintech industry, globally? Then, also bring it down here to Nigeria, because we have a lot of fintechs, springing up here and there in Nigeria.
Yes, so in Nigeria, there are lots of fintech industries, and I'll list some of them that have actually made some change in the landscape of fintech industry. For example, we have OPay, and during the crunch or during the election time where we had some kind of scarcity, OPay was one of the fastest way to send and receive money from people. And majority of the time, because these services run on a larger cloud infrastructure compared to traditional banking systems, so they have a faster way of scaling up, and they can actually use them for getting speed and reliability when it comes to fintech. And because these solutions is not limited to any physical location, so users can actually access the information at the same speed anywhere in the world. And to the founders of these companies, they don't spend money opening branches in different locations, because the cloud is actually something that can be based on accessed remotely. And you have the feasibility of scalability, you have cost efficiency, you have seamless data management. So some of these are things that these financial services actually took and are able to utilize them to be able to get the right optimization. And furthermore, we have open banking system where you have banking as a service, you have microservice architecture. Some of these technological tools are tools like containerization, whereby some of these fintechs can actually put some of their technologies on these containers. And you have data encryptions, you have security patches, you have auditing, monitoring, and companies can also protect sensitive data and use most of the security features. So these are things that change the landscape in Nigeria when it comes to fintech.
Right, but are the traditional banks, are they adopting cloud technology at this point? Because sometimes it gets frustrating when you're trying to send money over the apps, and you're not sure if the money actually went. You see failed transactions here and there. How are the traditional banks looking when it comes to adoption?
So to the best of my knowledge, I think recently most bankings have actually adopted the hybrid framework. And banks these days have their infrastructures or their services hosted partly on premises and partly on cloud. So that way they get to migrate, they get to transition some of their infrastructures from the on-premises to the cloud. And these days, you can see that some banks, they're actually accessed faster, and you have sometimes you have updates, you have upgrades from the banking applications, and you can actually use them seamlessly. In the past 5 years or 10 years ago, you might not be able to use some of these banking apps as fast as they are these days, because now they have most of their infrastructures hosted in the cloud, and this way they are able to adopt most of these cloud services and offer better services. And I believe in the future, most of these traditional bankings will also move all their services to the cloud and be able to compete with some of these fintech companies.
So talk to me about how engineers like yourself are contributing to adoption of cloud solutions in Nigeria's fintech industry.
Yes. So, engineer like myself, for me, I'm the founder of Chon Cloud Technology, and mostly I speak about, or we try to get companies that would like to move their services to the cloud. And some of these services, we do some kind of audit and give them cloud migration strategies or cloud migration ideas, and they can move their applications or move their services to the cloud using microservices like Docker containerization to boost productivities. And as Chon Cloud Technologies, most of our partnership are some of the cloud providers like the Microsoft, AWS, GCP, and also partner with some Nigerian-based CSP that can also help. And some of these fintech companies, we also speak to them and give them the best solutions for their cloud so that they'll be able to also optimize their services and also save costs. And most times we also give trainings to these fintechs companies or to individuals that are interested, so that they'll be able to make use of these services.
Okay, well, definitely. I'm thinking of what I want to put on the cloud at this time. But thank you so much. It was great. It was great having you. Chuka Onwubolu is a cloud engineer. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you. Okay, bye.